Jeez, jeez, jeez.
How to be brave? How can I love when I'm
Do you
afraid?
realize that the hair we collected from you over 9 months is what made us this part of this baby?
All night down, suddenly
Hazel, Daddy's being the baby whisperer. Can you leave that?
Who's the real baby here? I think it's you.
I think it's you too.
So you tried to get Xavier working. Patriots fans.
waiting for you, darling. Don't be afraid. I have loved you without.
Too bad. Lauren, you sit there.
Who do they think they are?